Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez and I'm going to be doing a cleaning video right now, but I wanted to start here kind of to give you kind of a real life cleaning situation. I have to leave to pick up my son in a little over an hour. So I have 1 hour to clean. I just finished filming a video. That's why it kind of looks crazy back here and everything is moved. I'm gonna do my list real quick and I'm gonna clean. This is kind of the mess after my recording of right now for my Christmas decor tag. That video will already be up, so I am going to link it both in the eye in the sky in the description box. What else? Sorry, so this is the mess from the weekend. I didn't do anything over the entire weekend. I spent the entire day with my husband and my son on Sunday, and then Saturday was my niece's birthday. So we did go celebrate her birthday. We went to a restaurant and then we went over to her house and I got to play with her, so that was really nice. So I still have stuff from wrapping her gift to just random stuff from DIYs. I just did a DIY and it's right there on the floor because it fell. So I haven't picked it up because I need to do a ribbon for it. But anyways, let's just get straight on to cleaning. I'll show you the mess. Pretty messy. I only have 1 hour, so I'm not gonna do dishes. I've been trying to declutter my Tupperware and stuff that I had in my fridge and just cleaning that, so I have a huge pile of dishes. I'm not gonna do those right now because I don't have enough time, but let's get right on to the cleaning. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you aren't already. Sorry that this intro is all over the place and a lot of talking. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so I know it's wobbly, I'm sorry. This is the mess we have right now. Again, this is all stuff from the weekend and this morning. I have some laundry, I have the little setup for the video, and then just what we ate yesterday from wrapping the gift. I have some DIY supplies over here. My DIY wreath that fell last night from the hook, so I need to do a ribbon to actually hang that up to hang it up from the backwards hook. And yep, I'm gonna do my power hour list and I'll show that to you so that we can get right on to cleaning this and the kitchen. It's a mess. I've been working on uploading a video. I went to the store this morning. Regular mess from the weekend, and my son was cleaning his room, so he brought out so many dishes, so I have a lot of cleaning to do. Let's get right on into it. Now, as you will see, I did create a very long list, and that is because I like to make my list as detailed as possible, especially when I have a short time frame. That way I'm not as scattered brain and get the most done in the most efficient time frame. We are starting our power hour at 1:52. I only have 1 hour before I need to leave to pick up my son, so I need to get a lot done.
If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock, be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got
Now this is the little setup that I had for my previous video, and I was using my medicine box as a stand for the little tree. I needed to give it some height, so I'm sure I'm not the only one that uses random things.
Reality is hurting. I gotta go. I gotta go. If I got super.
Oh, you know, just the usual mess from last night's dinner, and then just some mess that kind of stayed there all weekend. During the weekends, I like to enjoy the time I have with my family instead of cleaning. That's what Mondays are for. Okay, so I will not show you inside my pantry because it is an actual mess. My spice cupboard, I have no problem, but not my pantry. Also, you'll see me throughout the video pour in some water bottles in my Keurig. Any water bottles that we don't finish, whether we poured it in a cup or something, I like to either use that for my indoor plants, or I pour it in the Keurig because that has a filter anyways. I do not want to just toss them because we drank a little bit of it. Also, you'll see here that my cleaner is almost out. As usual, I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's countertop spray, and I'm using the traditional lemon verbena because that's what I have. But after this, I am going to most definitely order the Iowa Pine from Grove Collaborative because I was wanting to just finish what I had first.
Put the record on, baby, put the record on. Hit it, and I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays. But I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat. Somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never. Never say never. Been playing it down. But I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet?
As I sort my laundry, I am also going to just put aside my son's laundry and then put it back in the basket because that is one of his chores, to sort his own laundry. That's why you kind of see me take it out, put it all back in.
And I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Now, this is one of my most favorite chores to do. It is to vacuum and mop. I don't like sweeping that much, even though it leads to the same thing, but I definitely love vacuuming even more ever since I've had my Dyson. I think I've had it probably close to 6 to 7 months, and I've been loving it. I don't have hardwood floors, and it works perfectly both in my tile floors and on my carpet. I do not have really shaggy carpet, so maybe that's why it works so well on mine, but I absolutely love this.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from.
Can you tell I was watching Eclectic Kristen before I started cleaning? I love watching YouTube, and she's most definitely one of my favorites.
On my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights, and too much for sound. But oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind.
Somebody could hear the food rattling around, so he decided to come and get his meal for the day as I was putting it away. Of course, I gave him a little scoop, just waiting for my son to come home after school to actually feed him.
No, I just think they got too much to say. You're on my mind, and you know I'm broken, but you're another kind, on my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights, and too much for sound. But oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind.
I did mention this in a previous video in the kitchen. First, I go over my counters with bleach to kill any possible bacteria, and then on top of that, I go over with my Mrs. Meyer's, and at that point, it is just for the smell.
You're another I don't care if you don't wanna do all the things that I do, I only wanna be.
Let me show you a quick and inexpensive way to add a little bit of holiday decor to your kitchen. Now, I am using this little reindeer tea light holder from the Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is where the tea light holder was, I'm going to insert my little bubble up brush into it, and it's just very simple, adds a very cute touch of holiday decor to your sink area in your kitchen. I hope that you like that. Of course, to clean my stove, I'm using my favorite method degreaser. It is also available at Grove Collaborative. I'll leave my link down below. It's just a referral link, so you get a 5-piece set and I get a $10 credit if you do use my referral code. So thank you in advance.
I don't mind if you need to figure some things out by yourself. As long as you're committed to me and not somebody else.
Okay, so time is up. It is 2:55. I did go 2 minutes over. That is okay. I am dragging something. Okay, so I did everything on my list. I picked up my living room, swept it. I left my shoes over there because I do need to put them on right now. I left that glass cleaner right there because when I come back, I want to clean those and the glass portion of my pictures and those two. So that's why I did leave that out there. When I come back, I think my son and I are going to color. We're going to cook together and we're going to color. So I think that's why that, I know that's why I left that down there. And I usually store it down there also because we have some board games. I went ahead and vacuumed real quick. I had put on my list mop if there was time. Unfortunately, there wasn't. So when I come back, that's part of the cleaning I'm going to do afterwards. I picked up my kitchen. I put away the groceries. I didn't put away the rest of the waters. I'm going to have my son do that when he comes back. Put away the cat food, fed the cat. Picked up everything from the table. The only thing that's there is my list and my coffee. I picked up all this area and I'm going to stop right there because you can tell that there is a mess over there because I wasn't going to do dishes right now. So I'm going to leave that mess back there. It's already 2:57 by the time I'm kind of done giving you the clean house tour. And that's it. I have some wreaths down there that's not trash that I need to put up here. But I need to, again, do the same for the outside wreath and make my own ribbon to put those up. So that's why those are there. I'm going to do that today at night, probably when everyone's asleep. I didn't get a chance to sweep this floor, but I knew I wasn't going to have time to either vacuum or sweep the kitchen floor. But that's pretty much it. Ooh, dropping stuff. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you coming over for my cleaning videos. Thank you. Please subscribe if you aren't already and have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye, because I have to go pick up my son. Bye-bye.